All right, Algebra 1 students, it's Mr. Blom again. I know your favorite. But here we go. We got some systems of equations. So I'm going to try and get you a sense of what a system is. And here's part 1. I hope you like the short videos. I don't know if you do or not, but I think they're better. So here's systems of equations. A system consists of two or more equations or inequalities. Now, we won't talk about the inequalities now. We're going to talk about those later. But so here's an example. If you want to decide on the cheapest cab to go to the airport, the yellow cab costs $2 to pick you up, but is more expensive per mile. The blue cab costs $5 to pick you up, but is cheaper per mile. We have these decisions in our life all the time where things are changing at different rates. So this yellow cab starts off cheaper at $2 and the blue cab starts off more expensive at $5. So right off the bat, you would think that you should get this yellow cab. So if you're traveling 2 miles, let's see, if we go 2 miles, that yellow cab costs $5 and the green cab costs almost 7. It's cheaper in the yellow cab. But after you travel 10 miles, then that blue cab is cheaper. So at 10 miles, it's about $14 for the blue cab and way more expensive for that yellow cab. So now the blue cab is cheaper. When will the two cabs cost the same? Well, right here, this is where they cross. At 3 miles, the two cabs cost the same, and at 3 miles, it's $8. So from 3 miles up until then, I would take this yellow cab, and then after that, if my trip's any longer, I would take a blue cab. This point is called the solution to the system. It's a solution to the system of equations. We typically write the solutions as a point x, y. So the x was 3, the y was 8. We write it 3, 8. That's how we like to write the solution, because it says the number of miles where it's the same and the cost when it's the same. It's got both pieces of information. Okay, go ahead and watch part 2 now.